Carpenter has $60 with which to buy supplies. That's not going to get you very far nowadays. The carpenter needs to buy both nails and screws. Okay, so he has to. He has to buy nails. He has to buy screws. All right. Nails cost $12.99 per box and screws cost $14.99 per box. If N represents the number of boxes of nails and S represents the number of boxes of screws, which of the following systems of inequalities models this situation? I'm going to look at my answers first. I love to do that with these problems. It helps you out a lot. And I notice, look at my first two here. They're very similar. What's the difference in the first two? The only difference in the first equation in these is one has a greater than or equal to, one has a less than or equal to. Okay. And if I keep going, all of them have this same $12.99N plus $14.99S, but it's the greater than or equal to. Okay, so that's my difference in that first equation. I have two that say greater than or equal to, and I have two that say less than or equal to. All right, what's the second part of this? These two say N plus S is less than or equal to 1, and these two say N is greater than or equal to 1, S is greater than or equal to 1. Well, I'm going to start with that, because what does it say here? N is the number of boxes of nails. And S is the number of boxes of screws, and he has to buy boxes of both. So he has to buy at least one box of nails and at least one box of screws. So would 1 plus 1 be less than or equal to 1? No. It would be at least 2. So these two that say N plus S is less than or equal to 1, they are out. I only have to look at C and D. And the only difference between these is greater than or equal to 60 or less than or equal to 60. So this part here is saying how much money he's spending. He's spending $12.99 for every box of nails and $14.99 for every box of screws. And when he adds that up, is it greater than 60 or equal to, greater than or equal to 60? Or is it less than or equal to 60? Well, what is 60? It says up here he has $60 with which to buy supplies. And we're going to assume he's not putting this on a credit card, that he has this cash. So if he walks into the store and he goes up to the cashier with boxes that are greater than 60, is he leaving that store with those boxes? Of course not. He only has $60. They are not going to let him take those boxes out. So it has to be less than or equal to 60 because he's purchasing them and he only has $60. So D is my answer. If this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.